Hi guys, got a minute? I'm Maria. Welcome to my channel. Today we're making old-fashioned peanut butter Rice Krispies cookies. Soft, chewy, and perfectly crunchy. They're super easy to make with just a few pantry ingredients. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. Half a cup of unsalted butter, softened. I've left mine at room temperature. Half a cup of granulated sugar. Mine is dark because I'm using the organic raw sugar. Half a cup of brown sugar, and you can use the light or dark brown sugar. Half a cup of creamy peanut butter. Of course, you can also use crunchy if you prefer. 1 egg at room temperature. 1 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 cup of flour. I'm using the unbleached all-purpose flour, and 1 1/4 cups of Rice Krispies cereal. In the medium bowl, whisk together the flour, salt, and baking soda. This just helps everything combine evenly later. In another bowl, cream the butter and sugars together until light and fluffy. I'm using my stand mixer today, but if you don't have one, a hand mixer or even mixing by hand works just fine. This step is what helps give the cookies that soft, tender texture everyone loves. Next, mix in the peanut butter, egg, and vanilla extract until everything is nice and creamy. Gradually add the dry ingredients and mix just until combined. Try not to overmix here, this keeps the cookie soft. Now gently fold in the Rice Krispies cereal. This is what gives the cookies that light, crunchy texture. As you fold the Rice Krispies into your batter, you can actually hear them snap, crackle, and pop. Cover the dough and refrigerate it for about an hour. Don't skip this step. It helps the cookies hold their shape while baking. Once chilled, scoop the dough into a parchment-lined baking sheet. You can make them any size you like. I'm using a small cookie scoop and placing them about 1.5 to 2 inches apart. Bake in a preheated 350-degree oven until the bottoms are lightly golden. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack. And that's it. peanut butter Rice Krispies cookies with a great balance of creamy, chewy, and crunchy in every bite. Once completely cooled, store them in an airtight container with wax paper between the layers. They'll stay fresh at room temperature for 3 to 4 days, or you can freeze them for up to 3 months.